have to ask you open-ended question. Who do you think is the most handsome?
Uniforms here. I wore here a lot of uniforms in this year, but now I have this one and another one. I will show you another one maybe some other day, but this is my favorite one. You look, the shoes don't really match the outfit, bruh. Roberts, well, what can I say? That's my only shoes. Ain't gonna change them. 4x and a coin flip, everybody. But still, you know, still red is kinda, I would say neutral with any kind of for money. And now 4 times multiplier on the coin flip. Let's go, let's go, let's go. We have finally some multipliers tops of matching with the bonus game, and I do hope we can get some big. Come on. No way! Oh my lord! Oh my lord! I will get killed if I get 8x. 8x on the blue, 400x on the red. Guys, I can't, please, no. 1, 2, 3. Ah! Woo! Ah! Yes! Oh my god, yes! Did you see that? 6,708 of you got wins. PZ 400. Oh! Oh my lord! This is the...
This technically the most common segment in the wheel, statistics. Speaking of statistics, here's number 1. My congratulations, all the winners, well done. Your bidding time is open. We got 1,378 winners, got a 2,100 for my 09. We're going to boon with a 354 and 100 for MK. The time of the event is open. How do they think I'm responsibly? So, Mr. Iskady, guys, you always pop into my sessions, but somehow I don't know nothing about you. Tell me more about yourself. How to play, consider it. Oh yeah, I have to ask you open-ended question. Who do you think is the most handsome person in your opinion? When I say handsome, who's the first person you think of?
Turn up your mic, a bit quiet. Is it really?
You, stop it, Elvira. Stop it. You're just sucking up to me. Cash Hunt, win a 10 times multiplier, baby. Come on now. Get on up. Come on up. Get on up. Come on up. Yeah, okay, so back to serious business. We'll show you the available multipliers. You know what we're gonna do with them? We're gonna multiply them 10 times, baby. 10 times multiplication for all the multipliers on the wall. Oh, yeah, man. We got 1,000 out there as well. 1,000, the biggest multiplier. We're gonna pull this lever right here. We're gonna hide them away. We're gonna shuffle these prizes around, and then every single one of you will take a shot with a big old cannon, you know? Operate heavy machinery with caution. So the prize you shoot, whatever behind it at the end of the decision time is what you're gonna get. If you're not gonna make the shot yourself, listen to this. The shot's gonna be made for you randomly. But now get on up, ow! Yeah. A little bit of cringe, you know, to get you going. Ooh, this is stress. I'm gonna choose this one. What you got for me? What you got for me? Well, I would have gotten the 200s. Well, congratulations, all the winners, baby. Let's go. Yeah, we got 25K for Korean Apollino with a 23,000. Thank you for playing. Apologies for the inconvenience. Get it back as soon as possible.
Video finished. The clock in the video is a Troll Time UTCHS clock. How to compare the hours in this video. Open an internet search for world clocks and compare the hours on the video with the clocks in your country. Thank you.
Wondering how to make a play all night. Looking your way from out of sight. Thinking I should ask if you're doing alright. You weren't easy, so hard to ignore. Pull up on your right. Ask what you're drinking, ask what you like. Said you look good in the dim bar light. So damn cheesy. Who'd have thought you'd fall for somebody like me? When you asked my name, I panicked, so out of my league.